Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video of Indian coin view. So in today's video I am going to unbox this Indian coin orders from Suhail India. So Suhail is actually a guy that I have met in Instagram. He is having an online coin shop. Basically he is selling coins through Instagram mostly. Like in today's time there is a lot of way you can use social media to like sell your products and everything. So I checked him out. I have purchased couple of coins before also. All of them turned out to be in nice condition and everything. So this time I thought like I'll make an unboxing video to help some of you if you're like planning to buy from Suhail. So watch the entire video to see what I have got, what condition I have got it in. And before going to like the video, I'm asking you to like subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell icon near to that, so you will be getting this kind of informative and interesting videos in your notification. Also do share this with your friends who is interested in the hobby of numismatic or notability, who wanted to know more about it. So without waiting much, let's open this. So I have got it through India Post. Like we send the coins usually through the India Post, and it just reached me today. So I thought like, okay, this time I will like open it in front of you to check what he has like sent me. And in my previous unboxing video also I have mentioned this. It's a good practice to like make a recording of the unboxing of whatever the parcel you are getting from these people, because if there is any problem you can show or send it to them and say that, see, this is the unboxing video, you have like sent me this, or you haven't sent me this, so send me again. So that's a good way to like have an evidence to like show what you have got. So this time he has like packed it in a really nice manner. So he has used a box of old box of Colgate to like keep it. So apart from that, all of them are like just paper. So he kept it in a good way, tight way, so that it won't be like shaking when during the transit. So let's now open and see what he has sent me. So inside that particular pack of Colgate, there is another plastic package which is again plastered in a good manner, I think. So there is a lot of coins. You can see here there is a lot of coins. Let's cut it out and see what we have got here. So I'm taking my knife, and like if kids are watching, please make sure that you are doing it with the like some of your parents or anyone elder, because there is high chance that if you are like using this kind of sharp objects, you might cut it through your hand and you may get hurt. So make sure that you will be having any assistance from someone elder to you. And apart from that, one another thing I want to like so here has mentioned my YouTube channel and Instagram name, Indian Coin View. I have an Instagram page also whose link I'll be giving below, so just check it. So we have today 2 packets of coins, a set of 1 rupees and 2 rupees, and a couple of other coins we have here. So let's open and see what coins I have got this time. So before that, as you can see, I'm also wearing this hand gloves, because it's always better to like not touch the coin, because it may end up in spoiling and like creating scratches on the coin and diminishing the value of the coin. So it's better to like use a kind of gloves. Like these gloves are not that costly, might cost you like some 20 rupees. Like I got 10 of them for like 200, so it's 20 rupees per piece. So just get one of them so that there will be better protection for your coins, and there will be like better handling and everything. So let's open and see the first packet. So I have like ordered an extra 5 rupee coin here. So let me focus the camera a little bit. Yeah, you can see this is the Mysore University 5 rupee coin. the recent one, which is also a very popular item. So they are saying there is a first strike and second strike variety of this. If you know more about them, you are welcome to comment it on the video and tell me what is the difference between first strike and second strike. So that's a good kind of engagement we can have. Now we are looking into the 2 rupee coins that he has, and the first one is, all of them are like Indian rupee coins only, commemorative coins. And you can see the first one is the 1982 Asian Games, 9th Asian Games one. It's nice. The next one is Sri Aurobindo, all life is yoga one. He's a great guy. You know, if you know about Pondicherry and Auroville and yoga in generally in India, you'll be knowing about Aurobindo. Then the next one is the Bolu, the rail guard of India. So that coin is also here. I hope it's like clear for you guys. Yeah, okay, so the Bolu one is also here. The next one is also a popular one, Agri Expo 1995. This coin is also popular among collectors. I don't know why, maybe because so there is some kind of dirt and everything is there. So what do you think about the condition of this coin? Do you think these are like cleaned or these are like this UNC? What do you think about them? All of that you can like just comment below. So the next one is the biodiversity 1993 version 1, Saint Tukaram. Okay, so that's another 2 rupee coin we have here. Supreme Court one of India, that's another one, 50 years Supreme Court of India one. Next one is Tamil Conference one, Saint Thiruvalluvar coin. Okay, interesting. The next one is Small Family coin, Happy Family 1993 one. Bad. Interesting. Sardar Patel coin. All of them are like commemorative. This is the 1996 one, Sardar Patel 2 rupee. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So the 1996 version of this coin is the rarest one, like the second rarest. I think a lot of people consider it as a rare one because actually the centenary of the Subhash Chandra Bose should happen in 1997, but the Calcutta men got excited and they issued one in 1996, and then they realized that okay, it was a mistake. So if you're finding the 1996 one, keep it in your collection because it's really rare, and I don't think a lot of them, because those coins were like actually called back. So the next one is Chhatrapati Shivaji one. Interesting. The next one is Chittaranjan Das. Again, good condition. I don't know whether they're cleaned or not. What do you think? I really like to know whether you, like if you know more about it. Next one is Shyam Prasad Mukherjee one. So that's the end of the 2 rupee commemorative series that I have got. I think a couple of them are like clean, like there is like scratches and everything I can see here. So that's it. So now let's look into the second packet that he has sent me, which mostly consists of like 1 rupee commemorative coins. So let's keep it aside and one by one let's check what all are the coins. So the first one is Rainford farming one. So you can see here, focus a bit. Yeah, so the Rainford farming one. So first one. The second one is small farmers one. Third one is food for nutrition one. The 1992 version. Next one is again another one, Golden Jubilee of Quit India movement. Interesting. Again, this is also a favorite coin of the collectors in India. Then another one again, food and environment, World Food Day. So India also has like issued a lot of coins for commemorating World Food Day. Another one is a beautiful coin of Jawaharlal Nehru Centenary. The next coin is of tourism year. Again, one of the favorite commemorative coin of Indian collectors. Again, another favorite commemorative coin, the International Youth Year. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Rajiv Gandhi one. ICDS. All of them are like 1 rupee coins. Again, biodiversity one. This is the 1990 World Food Day one. The Parliament one. 60th year of Parliament. And then I have bought like the latest version of the 50 paise. This he has sent it to me for free because I made this like much better. And the centenary of Mahavir Jayanti, I think. Not the centenary, but it's the 2500 some Mahavir Jayanti, I think. So that's another 5 rupee coin that way. So these are the coins that he has sent me in this time. I am taking a closer picture of all of them so you can like see all of them clearly. I hope everything is clear. So if you like these coins and if you want to like buy such amazing coins of Republic of India, do check with him once. His Instagram ID I'm giving below in the description of this video. And generally, if you find such kind of videos interesting, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all this video as a notification and you won't be missing any of them. So I hope you find today's video interesting. Please like and share this kind of videos with your friends who has a passion about numismatics and metaphilia and generally want to know about the coins from different part of the world. So till meeting with a new topic on a new day, bye.